Good morning, friends. In this video, I would like to discuss with you about half adders. Adders are circuit which is used to add binary digits. Half adder is a digital circuit which is used to add two digits. Before going to the logical circuit of adders, let us have a review of binary addition. In binary number system, we have only two digits, 0 and 1. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 1, 1, 0. It is not 10, 1, 0. So next digit to the 1 in the binary number system is 1, 0. Next digit is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and so on. So adder is a circuit which is used to add binary numbers. Half adder is a circuit which is used to add two digits. Half adder is a arithmetic circuit that adds two numbers and produce a sum bit S and a carry bit C as the output. In this case, 0 plus 0, 0, sum is 0, 0 plus 1, sum is 1, 1 plus 0, sum is 1. Here 1 plus 1, we have 1, 0. So in the case of sum bit, we have 0 and we have a carry, that is 1. So this is the truth table of a half adder. We have two inputs A and B and two output sum and carry. 0 plus 0, carry is 0 and sum is 0. 0 plus 1, carry is 0 and sum is 1. 1 plus 0, carry is 0 and sum is 1. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Therefore, sum is 0 and carry is 1. So we have to develop a circuit which can add these two numbers with this output. So this is the block diagram of half adder. In half adder, we have two inputs A and B and two outputs sum and carry. So this is the truth table of half adder. A and B inputs, carry and sum outputs. Let us consider the first case. Our inputs are A and B and our output is sum. So we need a logic which gives sum as the output to these different combinations of inputs. So we already studied a gate which gives these outputs to these inputs. This is XOR gate. The input of XOR gate is same as that of the input of half adder. So the output of XOR gate is same as the output of the sum of the half adder. So we can use XOR gate for sum. Next is, let us consider carry and ignore sum. So the input is same as that of the last case and the output is 0, 0, 0 and 1. So we also have a logical gate which gives the output same as that of carry for these inputs. AND gate. The input of AND gate is same as that of the input of half adder and the output of AND gate is same as that of the output of the carry of half adder. So we can use AND gate to construct the carry signal of the half adder. So this is our half adder. We have two inputs A and B and two outputs sum and carry. For sum we have XOR gate and for carry we have AND gate. So this is the truth table of half adder. 0 plus 0, here 0 plus 0, carry is 0 because the output of AND gate is 0 and sum is 0. Output of XOR gate is also 0. Now 0 and 1. 0 and 1 here. 0 and 1 to XOR gate gives an output of 1. So 1 is here. 0 and 1 to the input of XOR gate gives an output 1. So sum is 1. And 0 and 1 to the input of AND gate gives an output 0. So output is 0. Next case is 1 0. 1 0 to XOR gate gives 1 as sum, and 1 and 0 to AND gate gives 0 as carry. Now 1 and 1. 1 and 1 to XOR gate gives 0 as the sum, and 1 and 1 to AND gate gives 1 as carry. So we can use this circuit to add two digits A and B. Now let us see how our half adder works. For that we need XOR gate for sum, then an AND gate. Now we need two outputs. One more. Now two inputs. Input signal A, next input signal B. Now outputs sum, then one more for carry. Let's say we have to add 0 and 0. So first 0, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Now we are connecting this output input A to XOR gate, A to AND gate, B to XOR gate, B to AND gate. 0 plus 0, sum is 0 and carry is 0. Next, A is 0 and B is 1. Now 0 plus 1, sum is 1 or high and carry. There is no carry, therefore C is in low state. Now reverse. 1 here and 0 here. Zero, 0. So 1 plus 0, 1, sum is 1, there is no carry, therefore this is in 0 state. Next, both 1. So we know 1 plus 1, 1, 0 means sum is 0 and carry is 1. Let's see. So sum is 0 and carry is 1. This is the function of a half adder. Therefore, half adder is an arithmetic circuit that adds two numbers and produce a sum bit S and carry bit C as the output. But there is a major disadvantage to this half adder. Yes, the half adder can add only two input bits A and B and has nothing to do with the carry if there is any in the input. That means if there is a carry from the least significant bit to the most significant bit, we have to add 3 digits. But for half adder, we have only 2 inputs. So we cannot add carry to the next digit. So that is the drawback of this half adder. So that means the binary addition process is not complete, and that is why it is called a half adder. So dear students, we can meet again in the next class with this rectified circuit, that is full adder. Thank you for listening. Thank you.